Hello friends! Today we'll show you some amazing tips and hacks that work really well. Here's a great way to get a broken key out of a keyhole. Vices and wire cutters are the solution to your problem. And here's a very simple way to stir the paint. Twisting and inserting bad wires is no longer a problem. Now you know a good way to do it. This will definitely come in handy in your workshop. A handy holder for the drill. In such a simple way, you can easily bypass all of the obstacles while laminating. Nails, plank, hammer, and wire. It's that simple. And how do you like this way to tune up your wrench? Now it's way more comfortable. Here's an easy and convenient way to clean dirt or paint from the bolts. An easy way to make a holder for your handsaw. Did you like the saw holder? How about a homemade tripod for your phone? Or use it while you're painting? With the help of a corner, you can easily connect two boards. A very useful way for drilling. Another very useful tool that you can easily make at home. And you can easily make this tool yourself. Don't be scared, it just looks complicated. Using it, you can always easily measure and immediately make the necessary marks. And finally, the last useful tool for today is a homemade chisel. Enjoy and subscribe. See you soon!